Today I'll talk about differential U-Tube manometer. By using differential U-Tube manometer, here we are going to calculate the pressure difference between two pipes, pipe A and pipe B. This is pipe A and this is pipe B. Now here we have to calculate what will be the pressure difference, PA minus PB. So in that left hand side, that pipe A, at the center the pressure is PA. In that pipe, that fluid density is rho A. And right hand side, that pipe B, at the center of the pipe the pressure is PV, and in that pipe that oil is flowing. Now mercury used as a manometric liquid. Now other details are given here. Now we have to calculate what will be the PA minus PB. Now here pressure is PA. If you draw that reference horizontal line, so here also that will be PB. Now when we will going down from here to here, that height is H1, so pressure will increase. So this point pressure will be PA plus H1 into rho A plus G. Now from here there is a two liquid interface. So here I'm going to draw a horizontal line. Already that horizontal line is there. So that line is called reference line. At the reference line, the pressure will be same for the both arm. Now in this point pressure is PA plus H1 rho A into G. Now this point I have to calculate what will be the pressure. Now first here at the center of the pipe pressure is PV. Now from here if we again draw the horizontal line, that here also the pressure will be PV. If I going down here, that liquid height is H3, so here pressure will be PV plus H3 density of oil rho oil into G. Now again if I going down, again pressure will increase. So that because of that manometric liquid rho oil into G plus H2 rho Hg into G. So now these 2 points the pressure will be equal. So here I am writing that things. PA plus H1 rho Ag is equal to PV plus H3 rho oil G plus H2 rho G into G. Now from here if I reorganize, so PA minus PV will be H3 into rho oil into G plus H2 into rho Hg into G minus H1 rho A into G. So that will be the answer.